Okay guys, so here we are today. Picked up a Arrma Granite 4x4 BLX from the local hobby shop, 50+ mile an hour. Here's all the information on the side of the box, just for you guys who didn't know. It's got a shorter wheelbase and shorter chassis than the Big Rock and the Senton. We were going to go for the Senton, but it's out of stock everywhere, so the next best thing was the Arrma Granite BLX. So guys, as you first open the box, here you are, greeted with this beautiful truck. Box comes with a tactic remote. Tic-tac, tactic.
Tic-tac, tackety, tic-tac, tactic.
So there's the tactic remote, full of the bubbles. And here is the main show. Here's the manuals. These manuals come with a wrench, plastic wrench, not very good. Comes with some suspension spacers and the instructions. And this is the tiny ass car. Flipping heck. So, you've got these nice wheels. Got some lovely suspension going on.
That's what that little car smells.
Got a nice bumper. And then here's for the peel.
The sexy bit.
Oh wow. It's tiny.
It's only a slightly bit shorter.
So this is a Arrma Granite versus a Arrma Big Rock. So, this one's got upgraded tyres. Let me just bring it over here. So this is a comparison. This is the Arrma Big Rock crew cab, upgraded wheels, and a 4000 kV motor.
Robotronic.
And this one is a brand new stock standard Arrma Granite. And yeah, as you can see, this one's considerably smaller by the chassis length. As you can see, the gap between this is like a big chunk. And here we have the brand new tactic remote. And here we are changing the connector from EC5 to XT90s on the BLX 100 ESC.